How to redirect an add-on domain. Let's learn how to redirect an add-on domain. Click Add-on Domains. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here is the list of all the add-on domains. Locate the add-on domain you want to redirect. Notice that it is not redirected to any other link. Click the Manage Redirection button. Enter the destination URL where you want the visitors to be redirected to. Click the Save button. Now click the Go Back button. Notice that the selected add-on domain has now been redirected to the link. Thank you for watching.